Iiyak pa ako eh.
Bakit?
Wala.
Kala po niya nakalibre kami ng hotel.
Tinarge pala sa isang credit card ko. Kaya ako libre. Hello. Hi guys. So, pupunta kami ng Canada. Bali, kumuha lang kami ng ETA or yung Electronic Travel Authorization. Parang hindi siya visa eh. Basta may ano ka lang, US visa. Tapos yung application dun sa ETA is pa-plot lang yung US visa number. And then, ayun, bibigyan niya yung ETA number mo. Same day, so, mabilis lang. Babayad lang kayo ng mga 400 pesos. So, punta kami sa Canada kasi pumunta kami sa ate ko, tsaka sunduin namin yung nanay ko dun. Hindi ko nasasabihin ko ng mom.
Taga-sundo.
Basta sundo lang kami. Mga ano kami doon, mga 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks lang. So, nung may ETA na kami, nag-book na kami ng ticket. Yun.
So, nag-book kami ng ticket sa Philippine Airlines. Sila lang yung may direct flight.
13 hours from Manila to Vancouver. Direct flight na yun. So,
Direct flight siya and no stops.
140k ticket namin dalawa.
So, pag nakakita kayo ng mga $480, sobrang mura na nun.
Pwede na yun.
There was a 484 pero 1 seat left na lang.
Ayaw kasi mabook pag ano eh, ginawang 2 seats eh.
Kasi 1 seat left na nga.
Kaya nga, totoo pa yung 1 seat na yun.
May mga na-research din kami. If you want to do budget travel to Canada, magsa-stop over lang siya. So, pwede kayong mag Cebu Pacific or AirAsia flight going to Narita, Japan. Tapos from Narita, Japan, you can take Air Canada, Jeju Air, or ANA. Meron silang mga flights from Japan going to Canada. Mga around 26 to 30,000 per way. So, mas mura siya.
Pero may maraming stopover kasi.
Actually, for us, it's okay naman. Okay naman na kunin yung mga ganong flights. But, yun nga, since magsusundo kami and we will have seniors with us pa uwi. So, we chose the direct flight ng Philippine Airlines. Okay, guys. So, I'm going to walk you through the Electronic Travel Authorization. So, that's the ETA. Okay, so what is ETA? ETA is an Electronic Travel Authorization issued by the Government of Canada to travelers who want to transit or travel to Canada. Disclaimer lang dito is you can only use this for travel via air. So if you're traveling via plane, then you can use this ETA. This has been a recent partnership between Canada and US government. For us visa countries, instead of applying for a visa, we can choose to have the ETA. So one advantage of having this instead of the Canadian visa is that it's quicker to apply for and you can get it in 5 minutes like I did. And the cost is only 7 Canadian dollars. All you need for this is your US visa and your passport. So here's the link. Next, you click apply online for an ETA. Then you go here to how to apply. Scroll down and click apply for an ETA. Click final instructions to apply for an ETA. Click another country. In our case, we're going to visit as a tourist or visit family. So we're gonna click that. You click continue to ETA application form. So once you click that, you're going to start with the application process. So you just have to go through all of the questions and all of the details, the fields required. They will ask for your passport details, they will ask for your US visa details, and your travel details, and your credit card details. So once you've completed the form, in my case, the whole process took me 5 minutes, including receiving the email from the Canadian Embassy that I already have my Canadian visa. So I think it varies from a case-to-case basis because it literally just took me 1 minute. When I clicked submit and paid my application, after 1 minute I received the email. But in Alvin's case, I think he applied in the morning and then he got the email in the afternoon at around 2 or 3 p.m. So it really depends, but I think it's still way faster than getting a Canadian visa. Just to remind, this ETA is only valid for travel via air. We were actually planning to go to the US via land and drive to the border since we have a US visa already. But then, when we were reading through the ETA, you can only visit Canada through air. So unless we book a trip or a flight going back to Canada, then that's the only time that we can cross the US border. But we cannot go back anymore to Canada if we only have the ETA, if we're going to travel via car. So that's it. Very quick and very easy way to apply. We hope that this video helped you guys out. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more travel tips and